kundi whatever Matiangi nachite, and I've had my brother ukwani revia sana mangana ya Matiangi. I can tell you from where I sit. Na nina alikuwa na the last time bantu bakanita sana magina lakini mwikamba tabia kene. Barai balbango tabia kene na barai balimu kuenda kwa mimi. Matiangi yako to ibintu bikoro ku breadcrumbs. Engo mu boyfriend iliye kunyo yago yaje yago te ningwa nchite yasira yage ndi mitinyi tatu ya manyabuja. Number 1 from where I sit. Ndago te Matiangi tara ready to be president. Why? If Matiangi wanted to be president right now, engo musacha ko te musacha na tetu kunyo. Musacha to ko te banu tete kunyoma. Utarabu utabuga tuna ni nyombo kunyomera. And I keep on insisting on that. To gutaka kunyoma, ochie saiga, usuchi kunyoma mumo kungu nyomba. Wikuwa gachi nyumba yao, uwere tu mukungo molete buo, usoko mbweno ani nyumba. What Matiangi is doing right now, nteto rigereri, rigati gashagwa rosire kia makiai. Mata karua rosire kia makiai. Kalonzo Musyoka nabwate kia makiai. Togo chanonya no yiga Eugene Wamalwa nabwate kia makiai. Including Nyachai karutu wari kubwate Nyachai. Nyachai nabwate kia makiai Ford Kenya ari gosoka nakyo. Nabwate Ford people. Arego soka nakyo nabwate mwaye wono Matiangi uchirote nintete ko be president nintete kunyoma kayo kunyomera we will not take you seriously enyomba go toteria go chanero ninyo nturamurwa gachire nyomba. Who told me? I see, I am in the county. Nturarwa gachire nyomba ndionse abande rigati gachako tani musonda gachite nyomba ya o enyomba go chikubeka mandamu wono ndabiri umuntu yonko nyomali. I want to take him seriously. Enga kibuna ntu abarayi bagusito go chikoenda ekero umuntu anyomira aretire twa moiro borayi tutete go chikonyino haneno ngoli. That what I mean by inko nyitorero ngoli followers ya babaye mbatete nyomba bakwiga manyi nyomba kibago chikoso but it does not have a house. Number 2 why I think is not serious. The excitement regency what about Matiangi is no longer there. We were waiting for Jesus Christ. We are still waiting for Jesus Christ to come. We are very excited waiting for Jesus Christ. Tokaganya Matiangi omukami Matiangi and we expected tatango chare Jesus Christ is coming. Matiangi lands amanya ko batena yaya nebete Moses mumbugari nebete ko allocate duties gete nkaiba Jacob tianda irana nande manyigo chagocha buya nande uchiche nande to receive airport nande tokole omukami ama tukabere from now usata to nande nkoigumole nande ochire nande Matiangi is arriving again. I mean it makes him look not serious. Is Matiangi with the people? No. Matiangi mwenyene mweri kondo. Mutaina naki declare presidency. We saw Matiangi when he was a minister. Na ugate sauti arigo kwa no tonya. Tukwaruro musacho na reredi. Wona igago tena muantevia. Personally from where I sit, he is not ready even as he comes. Una gwata na talenge analita lingana nja assume achitakorra bantu bae airane. That's my assumption.